Namaskar to all and pranams to all the Pyramid Masters and welcome to this online cooking session. I thank Madhu, Ram, PSSM Global and PSSM Germany for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I thank Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji for teaching us simple and easy technique of meditation and soulful cooking. Today I am making two recipes. One is capsicum curry and another is lentil with tomatoes. Let us start. For capsicum curry, we require capsicum, onion, tomatoes, salt, grounded pepper, little bit of sugar, turmeric and oil. I washed the capsicum. Now we are going to cut the capsicum. Always cut the vegetables before cooking. Otherwise, they lose their color. And cutting into big pieces. I'm adding 3 spoons of groundnut oil. I'm using groundnut oil because it's very good for health. In this, let the oil become hot. After this, we add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and salt to taste. When you add salt to the hot oil, it mixes very well with the vegetables. Now we'll add this capsicum to the oil. See how beautiful the colors are. Nicely mix it. And we are not going to put lid because the capsicum loses its color. Let it cook nicely with medium flame. Before coming into meditation also I used to cook. But after coming into meditation, I learned the art and science of cooking. And this great thanks to Brahmarshi Patriji for teaching the art of cooking. Because food affects our mind and body. It's very, very important how you cook, what are the ingredients are going behind and what you are putting in your mouth. So only vegetarian food we have to consume, plant-based food. So keep mixing the vegetable It's nicely leaving its color. The turmeric has been used since 4000 years, which has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. We use turmeric in India as an antiseptic also. Where any cut or wounds happens, we put the turmeric on that part and it stops bleeding and it stops infection. Cut the onion like this, the shallots. So now we are going to add to the capsicum. Look at the beautiful colors. And we are going to add little bit of salt, enough for the onions. We'll add the tomatoes to it. We are cutting tomatoes into big parts. Now we'll add tomatoes to it. Just by putting with the hands the ingredients, we are transferring the energy to this dish. Try to use your fingers. I'm using grounded pepper, 1 tablespoon. The pepper should be coarsely grounded. I learned this recipe from Patriji. So I hope you all love it. Now it is finally done and Last, we are going to add the magic ingredient in this. Sugar. Half teaspoon of sugar. The sweet and sour taste will balance it. Just taste it before serving. If you feel like adding little bit pepper or salt, you can add it. Capsicum curry is ready for serving. Enjoy it hot with bread, chapati, or just like that. You can have it as a salad also. Let us move on to the next recipe, lentil with tomatoes. So we are taking lentils, red lentils in this. So we'll wash the lentils. I have taken 1 cup of lentils. We'll wash it nicely with water. And add 1½ cup of water to boil these lentils. Let us put lentil for boiling, and you can keep it in high flame here. And put the lid and let it boil. Keep mixing the dal so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. It's boiling nicely. Some more time is required for cooking. Cut the tomatoes into small pieces. Now we'll fry these tomatoes. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil is hot. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin, half teaspoon of turmeric, when the cumin seeds are fried, we are adding salt, pepper to it. In this recipe, we have used cumin seeds, which is rich in iron and which is very good for digestion. In India, we use cumin seeds for stomach ailments. And turmeric, as we know, it has got health and beauty benefits. And the black pepper mixed with turmeric, it prevents cancer. So, not only tasty, it is the food we are cooking is very healthy also. Tomato is nicely cooked now, which I have already boiled and kept. Mix it nicely. Let it come to boil. The tomato is mixed nicely with the lentil. Now we'll add coriander. Tasty and healthy lentil with tomato is ready. Finally, our two recipes are ready. The tasty, energetic, colorful and healthy recipes. Friends, instead of using fork and spoon, eat with your fingers, because fingers are the energy points, and feel the difference of energy when you eat with your fingers. And always eat fresh food, and don't use microwave because those waves are very harmful for our health. Thank you very much.